Hey guys, it's me, Emily and Jackie, and we are part of the Living Lovely Ladies, and we are here for our next video where we are going to be doing some makeup.
Yeah, so today is a challenge. So we asked Kim for a makeup tutorial to do, but we're not gonna actually watch a tutorial. We have to guess what it looks like based off the name. So today we are doing Spring Fresh Tangerine?
Soft
Spring Tangerine!
And we have 3 rules. So you must contour, you must use fake eyelashes, and we must wear some sort of lipstick.
Yep.
So here we go, doing a soft spring tangerine with no idea what it looks like.
Yeah.
I don't know what brush to use. I have all these brushes, but I'm like, they have labels on them.
No way.
Blush brush, angled foundation brush.
This is genius. You're doing it with a brush? What am I doing?
All right, let's do this. Because I only
That's
ever
just
put
a
on
blush?
mascara, so this is like this is a bold step.
All right. Now I have to contour. I have to contour. I don't even know what brushes to use. Nope. Nope, nope, nope.
Use it for like bronzer or something.
I'm just gonna see she's got powder going on.
I have to.
This doesn't seem like a good brush.
Super oily, and if I don't use powder,
That doesn't look.
it's just a mess. So I just know this is what I need
I'm just.
to feel like a person.
Okay, I feel like whenever I see people contour, they do this weird thing, but it doesn't look like it's coming on, so I'm apparently not using the right brushes.
You may Google a contour tutorial if you would like, Emily.
Just the photo.
Just a photo, yeah.
Thank you guys.
They're nicer than I am.
So,
Because we just saw her draw brown down the middle of her forehead. This is so dark. We'll blend it out, we'll blend it out. Oh, and it looks even darker on the camera. We've got a real nice pimple over here that's just, I'm just gonna blend into the contour. We'll just act like that's part of something. We're doing it, we're doing stuff and we're confident.
I'm getting closer, apparently. I think I'm still gonna look pretty afterwards. Just because I'm not looking.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go into eyeshadow. I attempted the contour.
I don't know what to do next. I'm probably gonna do my mascara next because
Wow.
when I do my mascara, it gets freaking everywhere. Because these little lids, they like just swallow me whole. So they also swallow my mascara whole and it just gets everywhere and it's bad.
I don't feel like I have enough of the foundation on. Like, I don't think it did much.
You know what I always say is more is more. So just layer it on, you know?
I know how you say that.
I feel like Kim is gonna watch this and just be like, this is what happens when I have 1 minute to myself. These girls fall apart on a makeup challenge. All right, spring. Why is it not like showing up? Tangerine.
So it's tangerine. So we've got this like orangey color, so I'm assuming that's what this is trying to look like. Something along that, I'm hoping.
When I hear soft spring tangerine, I just think sparkle. It's kind of what I'm going with. This look.
Like a dewy sparkle.
Oh yeah. Like when you're out in the field picking those fresh spring tangerines.
As we all know.
This is a lot of orange right here.
Oh, this color's not great. I look like a bird of paradise.
That's what I was just about to say. Like, oh gosh, Phoenix. That's what I'm thinking is happening with mine. It's like I'm rising from the ashes to show my true colors.
Do I like this glitter? No. But it's on there, so we're just gonna commit. Would I ever wear this look out in public?
Yes.
No. Do I look like a tangerine? Yes. Mission accomplished. My sister put the body glitter roll-ons on my eyes and I got pink eye from it. So I'm kind of getting like pink eye flashbacks here. It was like when I was really little. So like you rub it all over your body and you're like 5 or whatever. And so we were just like, ha, and then she was like, close your eyes, and put it on my eyes. And then the next morning I couldn't open either of my eyes and I got double pink eye.
You ready for that?
Yeah, I think I'm onto the fake eyelashes.
Oh, look at you.
All right, I'm going to read the instructions so I don't make myself go blind. Sorry.
These are for like cow eyes.
No.
So I think I glued the applicator. Y'all, I'm scared. Oh,
Are you okay?
that was really scary. I was gonna rip my eyelashes off.
Oh, I'm delirious from the makeup challenge.
Let me see.
I'll go for you.
Oh, hey! Yeah, I'm proud of you. I feel like I'm afraid to put eyeliner on because I feel like I'm already running out of eyeball. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel you.
Wait, scared.
Do you put mascara on over false lashes? Yes.
I'm pretty happy with this.
Impressed.
I feel like I look pretty good. I don't know how this tutorial is supposed to make you look, but I feel pretty good about this look.
Yeah, it's different. Like I definitely don't think I would put like the contouring or the foundation, but like I'm cool with the eyes and the lips and the blush. But the face stuff,
Yeah, these false eyelashes are.
yeah, and not because I feel like I'm like awkwardly, weirdly looking at people. But other than that,
like I can't open my eyes fully.
I feel like if I bat my eyelashes too far, too hard, it'll like gust. You know, like
Gus. This is our spring tangerine.
Yeah.
Tangerine.
Well, I guess you'll be able to see what the actual thing is supposed to look like, but we can't right now. So yeah.
All right, so end results. Tell us what you think, whose look you like best in the comments below. And if you have any makeup challenges for us to probably fail at, put them in the comments below because we love hearing from you guys in the comments. And if you haven't already followed and subscribed to our channel, do that. We have more videos in store, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I think that's it. We might have other things for you to follow. We just want to be connected with you guys and hear all your input and your thoughts. So thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Bye, guys.
Oh.